going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a F650 Super Duty. It's a type of truck that you may have if you have a U-Haul or something like that. So if your lights ever go out while you're on the road or something, what you want to do is come over to the side. You'll have like a latch over here. You pop that latch up on this side and kind of pull that back. And you want to do the exact same thing on this side. And you kind of want to just take, if you see this right here, flip it up. And once you have those two things up like that, what you can do now is just actually pick up the hood like that. That kind of comes up on the vehicle like that. And once you have that up, what you'll see is right here is actually your headlights that go to your car. So your headlights, and then you come down here, which is probably your headlight. Same process. Spin it. You basically just want to, hold up, it's a little tight, but yeah, you just spin it like that. And once you do that, the light will come out like that. Then all you got to do is basically unplug it for your electrical harness, and you can put a new light bulb in. And once you get that in, you basically just want to take that, stick it back down inside of there like that. And once you got that down, you just want to tighten your bulb back up pretty much, and you'll be done. So alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a 650 Super Duty truck. It's happened to be a Ford vehicle. Alright, thanks. Please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.